Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's start with the ayah for the day 4, chapter number 7, verse number 14 to 16. Shaitan said, "Give me respite till the day they are raised up." Allah said, "Indeed, you are of the ones given respite." Shaitan said, "Because you have sent me astray, surely I will sit for them on your straight path." The shaitan asks Allah to give him time till the day of resurrection. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants him time. Then shaitan blames Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and says that Allah has sent him astray and that he will wait on the Sirat al-Mustaqim to mislead Adam alayhi salam and his children. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.